Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the best places for first-time homebuyers to purchase their first home. According to a new study from Realtor.com, smaller towns in the Northeast are the most affordable options for young adults looking to buy. Communities like Somersworth, New Hampshire, and Windsor Locks, Connecticut are becoming increasingly popular among 25 to 34-year-olds. This is because they offer plenty of amenities like restaurants and are within a 30-minute commute of a larger metropolitan area. Realtor.com chief economist Danielle Hale says the Northeast offers affordability once you move outside of the bigger cities. Homes get affordable very quickly as opposed to the West, and this year affordability is top of mind for buyers. We know that finding affordable housing has been a problem for years in the US, and last year's jump in mortgage rates made it even more difficult. But even with interest rates climbing past 7%, millions of people still bought homes last year. So, what are the top 10 markets for first-time homebuyers in 2023? According to Realtor.com, they are Portsmouth, Virginia, DeForest, Wisconsin, Windsor Locks, Connecticut, Gloucester City, New Jersey. But it's not just the Northeast that's a good option for first-time buyers. Zillow's list of top markets for first-time homebuyers includes cities like Wichita, Kansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Toledo, Ohio. These cities offer relatively lower rent, which allows residents to save for a down payment on a home much faster. So, there you have it, folks. If you're a first-time homebuyer looking to purchase your first home, it's definitely worth checking out some of these smaller towns in the Northeast or other cities on the list. With unemployment expected to stay below 4% in these areas, and more homes becoming available for sale, now may be the perfect time to take the leap and buy your first home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos in future.